Hello everyone, my name is Sabina and this is my first ever video with my face. Usually I show you my tutorials and I was thinking about some rubrics, how to make my channel more interesting, and I decided to add a rubric of what I ordered or what I will do, my plans and so on. Most of you know that I am actually like a full-time student and research assistant, and I do not have lots of time to keep knitting or crocheting and releasing some content because my schedule now is very tight and this is the beginning of the semester and I have literally no time to knit. I try to knit from time to time, but it's very difficult for me right now. So in order to make my channel alive, to revive it, I want to add some rubrics related to knitting but without any tutorials. So this is my first ever video in such a format. Please, if you like it, let me know because I'm quite nervous. A couple of weeks ago I ordered some new yarn for my new projects, and I'm planning to show you what kind of yarn did I order, where did I order it from, and what I will do with it. Please enjoy, and thank you very much for watching this video. So my first pack here, I don't know what it is. Let's open it together. Okay, I know. By Yarn Art. It's called Jeans Plus. A couple of weeks ago, I would say, I began a project. I decided to make baby blanket for a colleague of mine, and I started with this yarn, but I started to run out of this yarn, so I ordered some more. And actually I like this yarn because it's very soft and it's very thick. I think if you combine like 3 or even 4 threads, you can make something like a carpet or a huge blanket, a bed cover. So this yarn has 100 grams per 160 meters, and it is made up of acryl and cotton. Okay, very nice. So the project that I started is this very nice blanket. Here I decided to choose this pattern, and I like it very much. And you see, when you even like look closer, I like that you can see each stitch, each knit, each purl here, and for me it looks very beautiful. Okay, the next bag is here. Let's see. Honestly, I've ordered it like, I don't know, a week or even 2 ago, and it just arrived and I don't remember myself what did I order. So okay, I remember now. This yarn as well. This is my most favorite yarn. I use it everywhere because it's very easy to take care of, and plus the size is very comfortable. So this is called Alize Cotton Gold. I think it's also a Turkish brand. It has 100 grams and 330 meters. Well-known yarn. I use it a lot in my tutorials, and 55% of cotton and 45% acryl. So basically this and this Jeans Plus, they are of the same quality, but this is much thicker and this is thinner. what I usually use it for, I usually use it for some baby clothes, some toys. Here you see some toys, and also I use it to make baby socks. So about clothes, here I have like one project started but in different color. It's also Alize baby cotton. So I'm making this. I'm not sure still what it's gonna be. Maybe a dress or maybe just like a t-shirt, we'll see. So I'm making this for my niece, and as you can see, the yarn is very nice. Also, what I like about acrylic plus cotton is when you do something, you can see these patterns, and I like seeing these patterns a lot, because when you can see it, it means that it like clearly shows that this is a handmade work, and I think it makes it very authentic. Okay, so with this yarn I'm planning to make some socks and some toys. As you know, white yarn is very important when you make toys because it's like the most used yarn. So yeah, I like it. And my last batch here. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this boucle yarn. Oh, they put something. I like such sweet things. I have lots of these markers, and they are very comfortable to use in your knitting, crocheting. Just very easy to put and not count your stitches. Anyways, I don't know Chinese, but this is called teddy perm knitting. What I'm planning to do with this yarn is the following. I saw on Pinterest some nice home shoes. I would like to make these home shoes with this yarn. Plus, I had an idea of trying to make a dog, a toy dog. So something like a paddle, or you know, something curly. So it has 100 meters, 100 grams, sorry. Oh, yeah, look. Here they have this paddle plus these shoes, but I don't want to make these shoes exactly. I want to make a bit different. I'm not sure how many meters are there, and I don't know about the material it's made up of, but I just took 2 of them just to try, you know, just to see how it goes. It looks like this. So it's basically all these tiny curly hairs are on one side, but I think in general it will look okay. Basically it looks like a yarn that I used in my previous tutorial where I made this bag, hairy bag. I call it. The yarn is exactly the same, but this one is curly. So I think if I make a toy, it would be perfect. Okay, that's basically it. What do you think about this rubric? Please let me know. And let's meet in another tutorial. Most probably I will make a tutorial on baby socks because I think I don't have it on my channel. So please join and like this video. Goodbye.